Good morning, children. Today we will start our first lesson. Last time we saw unit 1, okay, endurance and pace. Now we will start unit 1 first lesson, coping with life. Means how we can deal with our difficulties. Coping means deal with difficult work. Okay, in this lesson or from this lesson we will learn that how we will deal or how we can deal with our difficult work. In difficult situation, how we can behave with us and with others. Okay, so here in this lesson writer had given one example of Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran, a famous classical dancer and actress also. So in this lesson we will see that how she lost her leg in accident, but without any sorrow, without any anxiety. How she deal with these difficult situation and how she became a great dancer. Okay, so with this example we can also learn many things and we can follow this example of Sudha Chandran, how she deal with the difficult situation, how she faced this difficult situation of her life, and how she became success, how she is living successful life. So let's start our lesson. Word of wisdom: endurance is not just the ability to bear a hard thing, but to turn it into glory. It is not only the story of difficult situation, means endurance is not just the ability to bear a hard thing, to face hard situation, but that hard situation, that difficult situation, how we change into glory, how we change into happiness, in happy life. Okay, so let's start. Sudha Chandran was born in Mumbai. At the age of 3, she began learning Indian classical dance. From the age of 3 years old, she started to learn Indian classical dance and soon became proficient in Bharatanatyam. She was a great dancer. In June 1981, she met with a road accident near Tiruchirappalli. Okay, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. She got one road accident while coming back from the Chennai with her parents. When she was going Chennai to Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, so that time she got one accident, road accident. Then she was just 16 years old. She was just 16 years old and on her way to becoming an accomplished dancer. She didn't complete her classical dances also at that time, but fate had dealt her a cruel blow. But we can't imagine, we can't think about our fate. Fate means हमारी किस्मत, luck. So her legs were severely wounded in the accident. Her legs were severely wounded. उसके जो पैर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा उस एक्सीडेंट में बुरी तरह से उनको क्या हो गया था, बुरी तरह से एक्सीडेंट में वो डैमेज हो चुके थे. सीवियर एक्सीडेंट, सीवियर वुंडेड. एंड after doctor discovered that gangrene had formed on her right leg, it had been amputated. Gangrene. मीन्स सिकनेस, एक बीमारी है गैंग्रीन, जिससे पैर पूरी तरह से खराब हो जाता है. So when doctor told that her leg is there may be gangrene problem, Sudha felt her life no meaning and purpose if she could not dance again. Dance was her life. And now she is thinking that there is no possibility without legs. She can't do any type of dance. Even she can't walk properly. So how can she dance? So she was thinking that her life had no meaning, no existence without dance. So she was so much depressed. But soon she realized that life was full of unexpected and difficult challenges. She started to thinking about depressed. Means she is thinking that without legs I can't do anything. I can't dance, and dance is my life. So she can't imagine without dance of her life. But soon she realized that life was full of unexpected and difficult challenges. Life is full of challenges. और जब तक हमारे जीवन में चैलेंजेस नहीं होंगे, हम उसको फेस नहीं करेंगे, हम आगे कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं किसी भी कार्य को. इफ एनी वर्क when fulfilling our aims, our goals, so there may be many obstacles, there may be many difficulties, but we have to accept, we have to face that difficulties, that problems, that obstacles. And she had to learn to cope with the challenges by adopting a positive approach. She was not a loser. वो ऐसे हार मानने वालों में से नहीं थी. So she is thinking that I am not a negative, I have not any negative approach. So she had to learn to cope with the challenges. Cope means deal with, I have to deal with these difficulties. I have to accept these challenges and face these challenges. So she is thinking positive attitude, positive approach. We also have to be positive attitude, positive approach. It is very important in our life. If we are thinking in negativity, so we can't do any successful work. We can't achieve any goal. We can't achieve any success. So children, always be positive. अगर आपके सामने कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज़ है, कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है, सो थिंक अबाउट इट पॉजिटिवली. उसको हमें पॉजिटिवली लेना है, ना कि निगेटिवली. एक बार आपके दिमाग में निगेटिविटी भर गई, सो आप कभी भी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हो. Life is full of challenges, full of difficulties, full of obstacles. But we have to deal with difficulties with our positive attitude, positive approach. So, on the advice of people, her father bought her a wheelchair, but she did not use it. Others advised her father, and her father bought one wheelchair, but she never used that wheelchair. Sudha got herself a Jaipur foot, an artificial leg that could be fitted where her right leg had been amputated. Amputated means cut off part or arm or leg in operation. Sudha never accepted that wheelchair. And she heard about one Jaipur foot. but before that Jaipur foot fitted in her leg, she has to cut her leg. उसका जो आधा पैर था वो काटना पड़ा था, काटना जरूरी था. Then only she can put that Jaipur an artificial foot. Right leg, उसका जो राइट लेग था वो गैंग्रीन की वजह से आधा कटवाना पड़ा था. With determination she took her first step, balancing herself on both feet after a long time, and it was very difficult and very painful. Children, means use that artificial foot. It is not very simple. एक आर्टिफिशियल पैर लगाकर एक साथ चलना, दोनों पैरों पर बैलेंस करना, इट इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड एंड वेरी पेनफुल थिंग. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पेनफुल था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा दुखदाई था वो पैर लगाकर चलना और दोनों पैरों पर एक जैसा बैलेंस देना. It was so much difficult and so much painful. But if walking so hard, would dancing ever be possible? First of all, she was thinking that I can't walk properly with this leg, then how can I dance? First of all, she was thinking, but she was not one to give up. She was determined lady. So first of all that thinking was well in her mind, but she was not one to give up. वो छोड़ने वालों में से नहीं थी, हार मानने वालों में से नहीं थी. Despite severe pain, she continuously practiced walking, and one day she even went out for a movie with her friend. She was trying and trying every single minute. She didn't waste any single minute. She was trying, she was walking again and again she was trying. Although it was so much painful, बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द होता था उसे, फिर भी उसने छोड़ा नहीं. And she was trying, practicing, and after that one day she was able to go outside with her artificial leg. एक दिन ऐसा आया कि उस आर्टिफिशियल पैर के साथ ही she went to the movie with her friends. वो मूवी देखने गई अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. So this is the example of Sudha Chandran. Means how determined she was. She never gave up, never left her trying, trying and trying. She was tried every day. Single minute she was not losing without practicing. And at last she won. वो जीत गई. So children, in next part we will see that another. Thank you.